Hello, this is your previous code file. In that you can see over here you have loaded this SCP results. So first of all we'll load this. You can see this values, that is purely a static values which has 1 into 100. This is your range, that is also static. So we cannot use dynamic range over here, and that is not the real time values. This is your static values. You can see this SCP variable, all these values are also static, that is not real time. So if we change the number of rounds or number of nodes or range or something, you cannot use this value. So you cannot compare with SCP. To make this dynamic, we have to implement this SCP and leech. So for that we have used this two programs. You can see this main code, we have equation 11 and 12, this one and the previous one, this one. That is your actual code, right? In SCP we have used this equation and this equation. In leech we have used this equation, that is purely based on probability value. We don't modify actual probability value, that is 0.1 or 0.2 or something. Now we'll execute the code. Suppose 0, 150, 0, 110, suppose number of nodes, suppose 200, 0.1. we have to increase our number of rounds, suppose 1000. Then and then only we'll have good values, because if we have more number of nodes or our range is more, then we have to increase our number of rounds. More number of rounds will have good accuracy in our code. If we use 100 round or 150 round, it won't have good values or something, it will have zero number of nodes only. So to improve our output, we have to use more number of rounds. This time parameter is not there in your code, I have added afterwards, so you will not have this code. But if you need this time parameter, then you can mail me. Yes, you can see this 3, it would be different for each and every values. If you find some unwanted values while executing your code, it means that is the fault of your values. Try to insert another values. It would be trial and error manner. If you have any doubts for that, you can mail me for that as well. You can see these 3 lines, these 3 lines, these 3 lines, this one, this one, this one. Every time your graph might be different because of different values. We'll again use another value, suppose 0, 70, 700, then 0, 100, suppose number of nodes, suppose 200, 0.1, suppose 1000 rounds. It will take some time because we have 1000 rounds. It might possible that for some of the values SCP has good result or leech has good result. You can see this one, that is the fault of my values, that is not fault of any equation or something. I have inserted that 700, that was my fault. So you have to be very careful about the values. Try and error different values, and then you can aware about the results for which values we may have the different outputs. Okay.